Hey, it's Joe, your favorite preventive controls qualified individual specializing in food processing facilities. Wanted to show you something that we've been doing lately to help other businesses get open and stay open, and that is sneeze guards. Here's a picture of one that we've got in the shop, just shipping it out today. I wanted to show you this one. It's got the protective film still on it. That's to protect our customers' material out there in the field. And of course, you can see it a whole lot better when it's got that protective film on it. This is all stainless steel construction. As you can see, it's got all welded joints in it, fully welded. It's fitted with a polycarbonate plastic in a sheet. It's a very smooth material, so it's very clear and it's very clean and it's very washable. It's a good electrical insulator. It's very high strength, impact resistant, low thermal expansion, and water resistant. Easy to clean up. You can use bleach, hydrogen peroxide. You can use it with alcohol, phosphoric acid, or just plain water and soap. It's a great material for those food processing plants. It can handle temperatures from minus 40 degrees to 180 degrees. It's comparable to plexiglass, a Lexan. It's really an acrylic that we can use to route out. It has half the weight glass. These polycarbonate sheets are often used for windows, machine guards, instrument gauge covers. So this is the basic design, and it will separate people from people. You might put it on a conveyor line. We could put it on some casters so that they're mobile. You can use it in a shop or an office. A customer counter would be ideal. This one has a little space underneath so that you can slide letters, notes, pins, or receipts back and forth to do transactions. It's also an excellent branding opportunity. We can engrave this plastic on the backside with your logo. I've attached a video going on back here that is a Christmas ornament engraved so that you can kind of get an idea of the abilities of the router that we use. It looks great with lights behind it, but of course our focus is a nice, safe material that's going to be functional for your use. So we don't have to get all fancy, but give us a call if we can help you with these employee separators, sneeze guard, to get you back up and running. Until next time, happy landings.